Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to enable captions on Instagram. Captions can make your experience on the platform more accessible and inclusive for everyone. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page. Next, locate the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. This will bring up a menu where you can access various settings for your account. Scroll down the menu until you see the option for accessibility. Once you find it, tap on it to open the accessibility settings. In the accessibility settings, you will see an option to turn on captions. Simply toggle the switch to enable captions on your Instagram app. And that's it! You have successfully enabled captions on Instagram. Now, when you watch videos on the platform, you will have the option to display captions for better understanding and enjoyment. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.